We can apply predefined page layouts to standardize the look of our stories. During the process of creating a new story, we're presented with several categories of layouts we can use as a jumping-off point. These layouts are grouped into categories. Boardroom layouts allow us to set up stories for use in SAP Digital Boardroom with the appropriate page sizes for presentation already defined. Responsive presentation layouts are designed to work on mobile devices. Report and Report A4 layouts combine tiles such as charts, tables, and annotations into pages that lend themselves well to being exported as a PDF. Dashboard layouts help create a story ideal for monitoring data, combining tiles such as maps, charts, and key figures. Present layouts provide the formatting and elements appropriate for a slide deck. In this example, we'll use the dashboard layouts. Multiple pages are added to the story, each of which represents one of the layouts in the dashboard category. We can also apply layouts to existing pages using the Layouts panel. Here we can see thumbnails of the layouts in the category. We can also add layouts to view other applicable categories. The layout itself consists of a series of placeholders for charts, maps, tables, text, and other story elements. We can add a data source to a placeholder, which opens Builder mode in the Designer panel, where we can choose the appropriate measures, dimensions, and other options to populate it. Although the layout includes specific placeholder types, we can choose to replace the placeholder with another object. If we want to change the layout of a page again, we can reopen the Layouts panel. However, note that if we change the layout of a page after we've already added objects to it, the existing objects are not automatically reformatted to fit into the new layout and will need to be deleted and recreated. The layouts that are available to apply to a page depend on the page type. For example, if we add a new responsive page and review the available layouts again, we can see that only responsive layouts are available. Note that in responsive pages, we can add extra lanes to modify the applied layout as desired. Thanks for watching.